Bag of the Month Clubbers, it's Diane from Spencer Og Sewing Patterns. Some of you may already know me, to others I'll be a completely new face, but whichever it is, I really hope you're going to enjoy the new pattern for this month. So I'm here to show you the new Bag of the Month Club pattern for March 2020, and it is the inner circle bag. I really hope you're going to enjoy it. The pattern has loads of colour photographs all the way through and in-depth explanations of every step. There's also a full video tutorial for this one. I'll also be on the Bag of the Month Club Facebook board all month, in fact through till the end of April, to answer all your questions about making this bag. If you need any help, just shout. I am UK based, so remember my time zone might be slightly different to yours, so just bear with me if you don't get any immediate answer. I also have a YouTube channel here with loads of bag making hints and tips and videos to help you along the way. Do subscribe to that. And if you're not already a member of the Bag of the Month Club, what are you waiting for? It's only $18 this season for 4 wonderful bag patterns by 4 brilliant designers. Sorry, I included myself in that there. Maybe I shouldn't do that, but see what you think. And yeah, please do sign up, and I'll put the links in below. So just to describe the features of the new bag, the inner circle is a sophisticated hobo-shaped bag which has the appearance of a full circle, and it features a continuous gusset and strap which you can decorate in different ways to become the main feature of the bag. It's a deceptively roomy bag. I think the dimensions overall are about 18 by 13.5 inches. It works well in vinyls or heavier weight fabrics, and I'll share which fabrics work best for it in the pattern, but heavyweight fabrics, not quilting cottons. You can make it in a slouchy style or in a more structured style just by changing the interfacings that you use inside, and again I'll share that in the pattern with you. The full continuous gusset and strap has lots of options for embellishment within the pattern. You can use rivets as I've done here, or you can use Renaissance ribbon as I've done here. You could also use narrow ribbon. One of my testers actually used a tape measure and stitched that all the way around, which looks fantastic. It's got a zip closure which stands proud on the top of the bag, which I'll just lean that forward so you can see. So it adds to the overall boxy shape of the bag, and I show you a new method of how to construct that so that your facings will always be even at the ends. It also features a new place to turn a bag through. I had to work quite hard on that one because obviously when you turn a round bag through, it's difficult to get a really nice edge for finishing when you're closing up the seam inside, so I've developed a new place to turn that through. So there are 2 internal pockets inside the bag. One huge one on the front, which can also be used as a divider for the bag. You can add a magnetic clasp if you wish, and on the other side we have a nice good size zip pocket for your valuables. Your front and back panels can be embellished however you like, so you can just leave them plain and add a handmade badge or your own logo, which is absolutely fine. They look very nice as they are, but you could also piece the panels to the front. Here I've recycled a couple of pairs of jeans. I just stitched the fabric together first and then cut the panel out afterwards, so it's very effective. So loads of further options in the pattern to embellish the bag and make it your own. My testers came up with some wonderful versions of the bag. Do take a look. What are you waiting for? Go sew!